Alright, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about some pliers that I got from Amazon. So let's get into it. Okay. As you can see, I got a couple things from Amazon here. You can see what that is. That's pretty cool. Relay puller. This is a fuel line disconnect to help you push in those tabs. You know, if you got big old meat nuggets like I got. Anyway, let me get these packages open, or these two anyway, and show you a little better. Okay, everything's out of the package now, which I mean these already was. These don't even have a name on them or nothing, but you can see what they're for. Just pushing in those tabs on the fuel lines and whatnot. This is for pulling relays. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Just thought you'd want to see that. Now this here, this is pretty neat. I used to have one of these a long time ago, but it wore out and I threw it away. Anyway, what it does is you hook that right there to, of course you got to put batteries in it, but you hook the negative to a ground, and then the red one to your wire that you're chasing, and it sends a signal or a tone down the wire. And you take this tool here, that end, can you see that? I guess it ain't gonna focus, is it? Anyway, let's put it right here, it'll focus. Anyway, what you do is you take this end and you follow down, say that line right there was your wire you're chasing, and it's in a wire loom and whatever. Instead of having to take all the wires out and everything, you just follow this along, and it'll beep or buzz until you get to where the wire's broke, and it'll stop. And when it stops, that's where your open is at. So that's pretty cool. Got this from, like I said, from Amazon. And unfortunately, like everything else, I've seen it on here somewhere. Made in China. Whatever. This tool here is awesome. Very handy when you're chasing down electrical problems. And it wasn't that much. I can't remember how much it was, but let's see. You can look it up on Amazon. Well, just look up that name. It don't really have a part number or nothing on it. There you go. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. Just thought you might like to see these three little items that I got. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.